Harnessing the power of social media for breast health advocacy requires creativity and authenticity. Start by sharing educational content in engaging formats. Think infographics, short videos, and interactive quizzes that break down myths and facts about breast health. Use storytelling to highlight real-life journeys, survivor testimonials, or day-in-the-life posts to foster empathy and connection. Leverage trending hashtags and challenges to amplify your message. Create a unique hashtag campaign encouraging followers to share their own stories or reminders for regular self-exams. Collaborate with influencers, healthcare professionals, or local organizations for Instagram Lives, Twitter Spaces, or Facebook Q&As to reach broader audiences and provide expert insights. Design visually striking graphics or animations to explain complex topics, such as how to perform a self-exam or recognize early warning signs. Host virtual events or webinars, promoting them across platforms with countdowns, sneak peeks, and behind-the-scenes content to build anticipation and engagement. Encourage user participation through polls, question stickers, or Ask Me Anything sessions, making your community feel heard and involved. Celebrate awareness months with themed profile frames, digital badges, or filter effects that followers can use to show support. Finally, maintain a tone that is positive, inclusive, and supportive. Consistently respond to comments and messages, creating a safe space for dialogue and resource sharing. By blending education, storytelling, and community interaction, you can use social media not just to inform, but to inspire action and lasting change for breast health advocacy.